Hello guys, and welcome to FixFlix. In today's video we are doing a review of the Lightening Dark LED kit, and we're going to compare them to the stock halogen bulbs that are found in your car. So holding one of these bulbs in my hand, it definitely feels like a quality product. The specifications that it comes with are on the screen. I like that it's waterproof, up to IP67, 5000 lumens per bulb, so it's pretty bright. It operates in really cold and really hot temperatures. And since the heatsink on this LED bulb is on the outside, is going to be exposed to anything that's under your hood, right? So you might have some water going in there, so having it waterproof and dustproof is a nice thing to have. And you see that has a cooling fan in there that cools down the heatsink and allows for heat transfer out of the bulb. Also, another thing you would want to pay attention to when you're ordering aftermarket LED bulbs is how long your stock headlight housing is. You don't want to go too big on the LED, so this one specifically is 3 inches in length, and then from the actual heatsink that's going to stick out of your housing is 1¼ inch, so you want to make sure you have clearance before you order these. So specifically with these LED bulbs, another thing that we had to do is to lower the headlight beam lower because it was blinding oncoming traffic. So typically in most cars behind the headlight you'll have some adjustment screws, and you will adjust those and the beam will lower or raise depending which way you turn it, clockwise or counterclockwise. We decided to go with 6000 Kelvin as the color temperature for LED bulbs, but you can choose a different one. Just make sure it's legal in your state. And also another thing you might ask is, how do I know which size LED bulb do I need? So in order to find the bulb size for your car, the correct one, you go to this website, which I'll link in the description. You'll put in the year of manufacture of your car, the maker of your car, so I'll select mine, the model, which beam you're looking for, or bulb you're looking for, headlight low beam, limited, and full vehicle bulb list. So now we have our headlight low beam size H11, and you can buy any H11 size bulb. Doesn't have to be specifically the Sylvania brand on the website that I'm looking up this bulb size right now. So here on the left side we have the LED bulb, and on the right side we have the halogen bulb. As you can see the difference, the left side is definitely brighter. It has a cleaner cutoff line than the halogen. And this is footage of this picture I took. The left side is the LED, right side is the halogen. You can definitely see a big difference. So here we have some comparisons of one LED, one halogen bulb, and in general these pictures that I took is for you to see with one side on, one side off, or both on the wall. And in my opinion the LED bulb is more concentrated and the halogen bulb is more spread out, and the light just goes everywhere. You can determine for yourself which one you like better, but it's LED for me, definitely. So here I'm using a Lux meter, an app that I downloaded from my phone. It tells you the light output. So I'm around 5 feet away from the car, holding the phone approximately 2 feet off the ground, and we're averaging around 600 lux. So this is fairly bright for the halogen bulbs. And next, this is the same comparison. Now we have the LED bulb, and we can average around 950 to 1000 if we round it off, right? So it's definitely more light output from the LEDs. So here we have some driving footage. Again, halogens on top, LEDs on the bottom, and we just want to show a comparison of the concentration of light of LED versus halogen, the distance covered. And any day, if you just compare the footage, I'll take LEDs every time. The light is more concentrated, you can see more clearly. I think the light is more appealing in general. I think you're covering at least 10 feet additionally, visibility, which at night when there's streets without any street lamps outside, 10 feet can give you a huge advantage, and makes it a lot safer to drive at night. Then again, this stuff is subjective, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So that concludes our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate that you are here with us. Please help us grow this YouTube channel by hitting that like button, subscribing. If you have any questions at all, please put in the comment section and we'll answer all of your questions. Thank you so much and take care.